Good morning, students. Today I am going to show you how to solve question number 6 from exercise 14b. First we read the question. So question says that draw a circle of diameter 7 centimeter. Draw another diameter perpendicular to the first diameter. What figure is found by joining the ends of these diameters? So this question came from the chapter Practical Geometry, question number 6. So it says that draw a circle of diameter 7 centimeter. So first we take a measure of 7 centimeter. It is a diameter 7 centimeter. So what is the radius then? Radius is half of 7, that is 3.5. So 3.5. If you double it, 3.5 means that is 7 centimeter. So half of 7 is 3.5. I am taking the measurement 3.5 centimeter. Then I am going to draw a circle of radius 3.5 or diameter 7 centimeter. So here it is the diameter of 7 centimeter. So let's see it is our diameter 7 centimeter or not. So join these points to make the diameters. Yes, now take measurement. See here, it is exactly 7 centimeter. Okay. Now after drawing the diameter of 7 centimeter, it says that draw another diameter perpendicular to the first diameter. So it is a diameter, we have to make another diameter perpendicular to this diameter. So what is the method to make a perpendicular? So that is with the help of a set square we can draw or make it 90 degree, or with the help of protractor you can measure 90 where is 90 degree, and that is the perpendicular point. I am measuring here with the help of a protractor. See, this center point I am measuring here, the center, measure the center point with the protractor center point. Then here it is the 90 degree. So make a point 90 degree here. Then join these points. Join this point. Okay. So this is the perpendicular point. So now extend this line from here to here. So it is now a perpendicular because it creates a 90 degree in the center. So this line is a perpendicular diameter of this diameter. Okay. So I am writing here the measurements. It is a diameter is 7 centimeter and this diameter also 7 centimeter. Now question says that draw another diameter perpendicular to the first diameter. What figure is formed by joining the ends of this diameter? So now I am going to join the ends of these diameters. So here these points are joined. Okay, join the ends of the points of the diameter. Now this is the end point of the diameter. Join here. Okay, second point joined. Now the third end points. Third end points also joined. Now fourth end points. Join the fourth end points. So all the end points of the diameters are joined. So we see that this creates a figure of a square. How we know that it is square? Because all the sides are same in a square. So let's measure. This is approximately 5. Yes, 5 and here also this side also 5. So all sides are having 5 centimeter and it creates a 90 degree in the center, which is the property of a square. Okay, and all the angles also of a square are 90 degree. So let's measure it is 90 degree or not. Yes, exactly it is 90 degree. It is also, let's check 90 degree or not. Yes, it is also 90 degree. So we see that all the angles are 90 degree and it creates it in the center 90 degree and all sides are equal. So it is a, we can say that it is a square. So what we write at the end? It said that what figure is found by joining the ends of this diameter. Therefore this creates a which figure? Square figure after joining the end points of the diameters. Okay, so it creates a square figure. I think you understand this question and try to draw or practice in home. Now let's solve exercise 14C, question number 1. It says that draw a segment of the given length given, construct its perpendicular bisector. So here the length is given. So first question is 6 centimeter. So what is the 6 centimeter? It is the length of the line segment. 6 centimeter. I measured in the scale, that is 6 centimeter. So you have to draw the line segment first of 6 centimeter. Okay. So it is a line here, and if I cut this line, this is 6 centimeter. This point is 6 centimeter line. Okay. If you name it as this point as A and this point as B, this line segment of 6 centimeter. Okay. Now question says that construct its perpendicular bisector. Perpendicular bisector, how to draw, I will show you now. So take the half of this. So it is 6 centimeter. So take more than 3 centimeter measurement and cut both the sides here. So I am cutting here, and here also I cut here. Okay. Now without changing this length, intersect this line. Okay. Both the sides. So after intersecting, you have to join these points. Join these points so this point and this point, the intersection points. Intersection point I have joined. So what it forms? This is the bisector. This is the perpendicular bisector of the line segment AB, that is of 6 centimeter. Okay. Similarly, you can draw 8.7 centimeter, 98 millimeter, and B and C questions you can solve at home. So first I am explaining you again. First draw the line segment of desired length. Then with the help of compass, take more than 50% of this measurement and draw an arc on both the sides. Okay. Without changing this distance, draw again this arc